So in this video, we're going to discuss manual spying. There's always two types of spying. There's paid spying and there's free spying. In this video, we're going to deep dive on exactly how I do my manual spying to find profitable campaigns and different angles that I can deploy in all my CPA campaigns. So now keep in mind, when you're building out a campaign from scratch, the reason we do manual spying and the reason we do paid spying, you can choose either or which one you want to do. I always start with manual spying on whatever products I'm going to promote, because whenever you're going to spend $1,000 on a campaign, $500 on a campaign, you want to know that you've done all your research ahead of time on that product that you're promoting, so you know when you start to launch your ad campaigns, you know that you've done your research and you're spending $1,000 towards an affiliate product that you're promoting, and you have that core foundation of your spying done. There's a lot of micro steps you have to take in order to build a successful campaign. If not, a lot of people, what will happen is you'll build a campaign, you won't do your manual spying, you won't do your paid spying, choose either or, both of them are going to work for you. But if you don't do your spying, then you're going to throw money right down the drain if you don't know what your competitors are doing. So the two best free spy tools are Google and Facebook. And I'm going to show you exactly how to do that, so let's dive right in. So now we're going to dive into manual spying with Facebook. So I keep my spying very simple, and what I want you to do is I want you to download 3 tools. They are free tools, and what they are, one is called Turbo Ad Finder, and what this tool allows us to do is easy manual spying on our newsfeed. SimilarWeb, another tool we'll be using during our manual spying. And now Redirect Finder, you'll see exactly how that works. That one actually lets us know what are the exact tracking links throughout the entire steps. So that's going to be very beneficial moving forward. Now keep in mind, all these tools are free to use. Now SimilarWeb, they do have a paid version, but you do not need it. So all you have to do to download SimilarWeb, you just head over to Google and you just type in SimilarWeb Chrome extension. So then you do the same exact thing for Turbo Ad Finder. Now these tools are going to help us navigate through Facebook a lot easier while we're doing our manual spying. So now what I'm going to do is let's head over to Cash Network. So this is Cash Network right here. It's another cake network, a great network to join. So in Cash Network, they have different verticals that you can pick between. Different offers, auto loan offers, business offers, e-com offers, almost any offer you can think of, this network will also have. So what I've done is I've typed in solar. Solar panels is a huge niche on Facebook. It's a white hat niche. It's very compliant to run. It's a good offer to actually promote. Now these offers, solar panels, they pay out about roughly $3 and $9. And now you can find them in other networks. Some other networks may have them where they pay $100, $50, just depends on what they require the user to actually do. So right here, this one's a $3.80 cost per lead. You get paid right for the email. And if you look closely right there, it says US traffic only. That's our geo. And then first page submit. So now keep in mind, this method I'm showing you can work with any offers that you want to promote. So come here in Facebook search bar and you want to start typing in different keyword variations. So if your offer is solar panels, you want to type in solar panels for sale, how to buy solar panels, or solar panels. So then now we can start typing in different variations, and when you type in different variations on Facebook, they'll bring up different ads, different posts, and different videos related to those keywords. So now let's just take a look. For example, you want to come here, it's under people right now. Facebook's got different categories. So first thing I like to do is look right at the video, straight up go right here. So now we start to see that there's, let's just take a look. These solar panels can turn your windows into really good, capturing 20,000 views, solar panels. So as you're coming through here, you want to start keeping notes on whatever your competitors are doing. So let's just click into a couple of these and see what they're actually doing. All right, let's pause that. So we see right here, it says it's got 66 comments, 6,000 likes. And let's scroll up, see all comments, most relevant. go through the comments, it looks like what they did on this actual post is that they're actually social proofing. What that means is when you we're going to be setting up Facebook ads in the future module. But what that means is if you set up a Facebook ad and you start to get cheap traffic for $20 to $40, you can get traffic and your post looks like you had thousands of people liking it. So then it's natural law of attraction. When I go to Facebook personally and I see something that has 1,000 comments, 1,000 likes, or a ton of comments, then I have to see what it is and then I potentially comment. It's the domino effect on Facebook. So this would be a potential good video that we could actually test out in our testing. So let's click back on this. Now keep in mind, we want to go to these pages. We want to look at their ad copy. We want to look at their video, which is their creative. See what type of creative. So let's just scroll down and let's just look at a couple more. I like this. These aren't solar panels, they're water collectors. Let's just check this out. Alright, now let's click on right here to the fan page. So a very simple fan page. It's got a pretty big following right here. So now something really neat Facebook actually recently rolled out is actually spying on your competitors by clicking info and ads. Now, not every page will actually have ads, but this page actually does. So we can actually scroll down and start looking at what ads they actually have. So let's see, the 18 best Shark Tank stories. So this page seems like a more of a universal Facebook fan page. When we make our fan pages, I want you to make your fan pages niche. So if our fan page is solar panels, our fan page is just strictly going to be solar panel related. Or if you're making a weight loss Facebook fan page, it's going to be strictly that related. So now let's come back up to the search bar. Now I want to give you an example. Numerologist. That was a popular ClickBank offer. You can actually see competitors who are actually running this right now. So we can click right here, click see all, come over to pages. And then let's just check this out. It's got 1K likes, numerologist. Now we're coming here for landing pages. We're coming here for ad copy. Let me click exit on this. Let's just scroll down and see what kind of info they have. So now keep in mind while we're scrolling down, this is content that we can use for our Facebook fan page when we create it. People aren't creative. If an offer is called numerologist, someone's going to name the offer numerologist. If the offer is called Zippy Loans, everyone's going to name the offer of their fan page Zippy Loans. So let's just click right here and see where this leads us now. Alright, so this guy is actually direct linking to the offer. So this is a ClickBank offer you see right here, this affiliate. Let's go back now. Let's type in weight loss secrets. So let's check this out. Drink this before going to bed and lose 5 to 7 kg weight. Now that ad copy is very aggressive, but I do like it's got 273,000 views. This picture right here before and after, it's not too aggressive. And then let's just click into it and see what it actually is. So this is a short video. This video would probably work pretty good for Facebook. Now let's just take a look right here. It's got 495 comments. We saw it had 270,000 views. So food in 5 minutes, that's a pretty good Facebook fan page name. That means this fan page is working and this is something that we could potentially model. So then what you want to do is keep track of all the ad copy. Copy and paste this right onto your notepad. Come right over your notepad. Put that right there. Put the Facebook fan page. Let's just put food in 5 minutes. So we want to start keeping track of all the fan pages, all the ad copy, the photos and videos. So what you want to do is you can come right back to the fan page, right click on the fan page and click show video URL, and we can swipe this. And now what we're doing now is we're building a swipe file. Now we know as we're building this file, we can come back and have all our information in one spot because we're keeping track of all our manual spying that we're doing. And then lastly, if you want to save this video exactly and not that, you can actually just scroll up to the top right here and then copy this here and then save that. And it'll instantly open right back to this video. So now this is one way of manual spying and digging into. Keep in mind, while you're looking through here, pay close attention to exactly what these pictures are. We want to start getting ideas on what we can use for our thumbnails and our videos if you decide to run a video view campaign. as you're choosing your affiliate offers that you want to promote, make sure to start searching other pages and start liking them. So for example, Food in 5 Minutes. I clicked onto their fan page and I'm going to click like. I want them to target me in ads, so I'm going to start going to all my competitors and engaging with their content and try to get retargeted in Facebook ads. Now I want to show you exactly how to use Turbo Ad Finder. So just click home here. Now once you download your Turbo Ad Finder, it'll be right here on the right side. So you just have to click on that Chrome extension and you have to just click turn on and then give it a second. Now once Turbo Ad Finder loads, you'll start to see only sponsored posts. So these are Facebook ads right here, so only sponsored posts. So it eliminates all your friends posting about their life, how they're traveling and everything. Now we're only seeing Facebook ads with Turbo Ad Finder, and it just makes it very simple to start scrolling down through your newsfeed and seeing only Facebook ads. So we have Squarespace. Now as you're scrolling down, keep in mind, these are active Facebook ads running, so we want to get ideas on what our competitors are doing. So if you're engaging with weight loss pages, Zippy Loan, solar power, teeth cleaning, no matter what pages and what content you're engaging with, we have a potential to get targeted with that and in their Facebook ad campaigns. So let's just scroll down. So as you can see, I'm being targeted by a ton of marketing for how to run your own business right now. So everyone's going to be targeted in different elements. So now I want to show you one more trick. So no matter what offers you want to promote, start typing in different keyword variations. Teeth cleaning. Look at all this content down here on teeth cleaning. Look at this thumbnail right here that they're using. This would grab someone's attention. What you want to be doing when you're spying is start thinking about what's a pattern interrupt. What's something that catches somebody's attention as they're scrolling through their newsfeed. So if I was scrolling through my newsfeed, I would stop right here because this I'm going to have to read what it says. So that's a pattern interrupt. So a lot of people who are affiliates, they have content just like this and they're promoting a teeth cleaning offer. Now for example, let's type in Red Tea Detox. So now we start seeing all content related to Red Tea Detox. People aren't that creative, so we can start seeing what their landing pages are just by clicking on their fan pages and seeing all the links that they have. Now take a close look at how many pages they are on Red Tea Detox. There's probably thousands of affiliates promoting this. So what you want to start doing is sticking out when you're doing your affiliate marketing. Do not name your fan page the exact name of the offer because this makes it so easy to see what you're doing as an affiliate. So take a look at this, Ted's Woodworking. This is another affiliate offer. So I found this fan page browsing around. The fan page is actually relatively pretty boring. It was actually posted June 26. This background photo is not good looking, but it's also straight to the point. So let's scroll down and just look at the content that they have. I want to look at this creative that they're using. Do you like creative woodworking ideas? ? Watch this video. Videos are easy to sell people into. So now take a look here. They have a link. Now let's just click here. So it goes to Ted's Woodworking, question 1 of 2. So what this is another landing page. People do this to get you to take micro commitments, to get you to start committing to the offer. So I would take this landing page, I'd copy it, I'd bring it right over to my notepad. Now for example, now we see we have a landing page, we have a video, we have fan pages. Start building your swipe file exactly how I'm showing you. So let's look at this. Are you interested in the largest collection of woodworking plans? So we could easily go through this and we could even add this. We could copy this and we could go right over to SimilarWeb and we could paste it right in. And we could start seeing how much traffic is actually coming to this actual landing page. So let's go right back. So now let's just go right through their funnel. We see they have a Facebook disclaimer, so they must have been running ads. Let's just click no. And let's just click yes. Get access now. That was the call to action button. And look at this. They took us right to the affiliate offer. So now this is exactly how we find offers manual spying through Facebook.